Where others may see an inanimate object, we see incredible potential. Eons in the making. A lifetime of love. A home filled with happiness. We are Stonex, the custom countertop and stone company. Stonex has been operating in Southern Ontario for over 25 years, with more than 60,000 installations, and counting. We may have the largest selection of stone in the largest showroom in the province, but we pride ourselves on the small-town values that's built in the company's DNA. Every client interaction is a meaningful one. Our knowledgeable and friendly sales teams take their time to understand your needs and are committed to delivering a better customer experience. Our team travels the world to handpick an incredibly diverse, high-quality selection of stone that simply can't be matched. With our in-house, state-of-the-art equipment, the turnaround time from selection to installation can be as little as 7 days. We service the widest area of any stone company in Southern Ontario. Our professional installations and reliable service make the process simple so that you can enjoy the important moments. Live with beauty that stands the test of time. Find us at any one of our 3 convenient locations. Stonex. Exceptional every step of the way.